Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I will just share with you the bag I just got. It's from SENADA, but the brand actually says Saho, but it was sold on Amazon from SENADA brand, and it's very affordable actually, under like $26.99 plus different discounts. It's under $25 come out after tax, and looks real good. Actually, it's better looking back than I actually thought it's gonna be. So I'll show you close up, show you a real measurement, and to show you how well it will fit. This is a Herald bike, but you can fit to probably any SENADA bicycle or any other bicycle. Even if you have electric or any bicycle with a rack, you can attach it. So the bag looks like fit perfectly for this bicycle. Also, it fit perfectly for drifter, and I am sure it will fit to any bicycle with a rack. I'll show you how it's attached. There's two straps on the bottom, pretty wide, and should be hold very strong, and also two straps on this side. So this first you just attach like this, remove it from both sides, and attach it on the bottom. And you do it on both sides, so it's pretty simple. Takes only, let's say, 30 seconds, and then you attach on this side as well, so it will hold very well in place. And I'll show you measurement by placing some items in it as well. So this bag comes with so that's a bag holding very well. So the bag comes with a two-side pocket, exactly the same pocket from both sides, like this one, with a reflection. You can open up with a zipper independently. You can put your tools, the tube, whatever you need, or for work, different items. The same thing on the other side, on this side as well. And then over here you can put your bottle of water. It's space for bottle, okay? And then you can open up on the zipper as well, completely open up. And actually it has some insulation. It's pretty thick, so if it's hot or cold, it should keep the inside pretty stable probably. So it's good if you're going outdoor, and if it's hot, you should keep some insulation, so it's good. And I'll show you how big inside. And that's how it looks inside. Looks really big. You can take a bottle to put over here basically, right? And just tighten up so it will not fall out when you're riding. So it will stay here very strong. Okay, then the measurement of the bag, it's about, let's see, about 12 inches on the bottom, and on the top a little bit less. The reason it says under angle, so it will not bother while you're riding, so it's pretty good. So 12 inches on the bottom, and the top about 11 inches, like about 11 inches. So bottom about 12 and 11 top. It's deep about 6 inches deep, so it's pretty good. And I'll show you visually what you can put inside. You can most likely to put 2 gallons of milk. At least one for sure. As you can see, you can lay it down, close completely, or you can put your lunch bag. So it's a lot of storage, and it's very easy. You just put it in and lock it in. You can lock on any side you want, because there's 2 zipper lock over here, okay, and it stays here very well. Also, you can put anything on the side, sneaker bar or wherever you want to take it, and you can see it stay pretty good in place, even with 1 gallon. Okay, so it's good. It also comes with carry hand, so you can carry for your as a lunch bag if you want. Shoulder strap, you can carry at work or anything, and it can fit any bicycle because it's not only black color fit any bicycle any color, also the design made it can fit any rack. It's very adjustable, and you got two pockets over here. As I said before, both of them reflecting at night or even daylight. It's very shiny, and the bottle over here stay very good actually. And that's about it. Check out link in description, and there should be some good deal on it.